Welcome to another week, Camp House Barbecue. Today we're on the beautiful Frio. Today we're gonna do a pork shoulder. We're gonna have pulled pork sandwiches. Got the kids, we're camping, we're in Garner Park. I got the drum fired up. Today we're gonna be seasoning with another supporter, La Barbacoa, local company, and with Mr. Crawford's Alamo dust. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we got our pork butt. It's how much is this? 10 pounder. I just picked it up at HEB, of course. I told you I'm gonna be hearing HEB a lot. And we're gonna be, like I said, this is the Alamo dust, and then La Barbacoa, another proud sponsor of Camp House Barbecue. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm gonna leave the fat cap on it and all that. Hopefully it'll render down. First layer is gonna be Alamo dust. I said I got the temp up. I got cherry and pecan and tosto. Here's some on the back side. This is that other one, that Texas Q candy from La Barbacoa. Another proud supporter of Camp House Barbecue, guys. Y'all check them out. Brian Crawford's Alamo dust and La Barbacoa spice. Pretty good stuff. This one. All right, guys. So I'm bringing up the temp on the drum, and once we do a nice coat, big piece of meat, guys. Don't ever be afraid to over season a big piece of meat. You can't over season a big piece of meat. So. Just add it in. All right, guys. I'm gonna bring the drum up to temp. She's running. All right, guys. So we got the drum where we want it. She's running about 252. Oops. All right, guys. So I'm gonna set her in there. I'm gonna try to do a little hot and fast on it, and see what pans out. We'll check back here in a bit. We're about an hour in, guys. Ready? Careful.
Where's Daddy? Move your head.
Ah, let go! Hour 40. I'll let the smoke clear. There she comes. Oh, God almighty. Spritzing her down just with some, lost the label, but it's Crawford's apple spritz. Proud supporter of Camp House Barbecue. So there she is. She's getting good color. I'm fixing to give her a little bit more and then I'll wrap her up. All right. All right, guys, so we're gonna pull the butt. It's been on there about 2.5 hours. I'm just gonna do a basic butter on the bottom, honey, and brown sugar. Just like I did my baby back rib the other day. And And then I'm gonna put a little bit of more seasoning. This one is that La Barbacoa Texas King Candy. Alright guys, so here's our button. I'm gonna do right on top of it again. Gonna repeat the process. A little butter. Just trying to keep some moisture in there. Of course, this is gonna render a lot of fat down. A lot of it. This is just regular parquet. Some honey. Brown sugar. And then we're gonna get our seasoning. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and then we'll pick back up. Alright guys, on this one I'm just gonna put my probe in here. I normally put it inside. And then I'll wrap my foil around it. That way I don't have to poke holes or anything like that till I come back around.
What's up, buddy? I thought you making something. I was like, I gotta come see.
Yeah,
that looks good, bro.
Yeah, I'm doing a pork shoulder, and then I'm doing a YouTube video if you want to come out. Look, guys, we're at the Frio River.
What's up, buddy?
What's your name?
Frank Delgado.
Frank Delgado. He's we're out in the Frio River. We're cooking a pork butt and. I should come.
Good, buddy. You look
Thank
good.
you. Thank you. Yeah, we'll put our probe in here, and then we'll wrap it up. I'll wrap up my foil paper around the probe. That way I don't have to poke through it till after we're getting close. All right, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up, put it back on the drum, and we'll catch up in a bit.
Go.
All right, guys. So it's been on about, I'm gonna say 4 hours. I pulled it at about 190. I'm gonna open it with y'all. So just bear with me because there's a bunch of juices everywhere. And let's see what comes out of it. Here's your telltale sign that it's ready. This is your clavicle bone. If it pulls out, it's ready. Look at that. I think we're done. Oh, I just dropped my probe. Guys, so we already pulled it. We pulled it out 200 and something. I broke it up into chop. I'm gonna use some of this Crawford's, the Memphis Mistress, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna, yeah, we can get bacon. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this Head Country Original. Everybody's hungry out here already. So we're just gonna give it a little mix. I just dropped a little bit. And then we'll reapply some more once we get it all worked in. And it's good, baby. Thumbs up. My daughter says thumbs up, guys. So we already, like I said, we pulled it apart by hand. It was hot as Donkey Kong, but we got it pulled off. Right now I'll put them on a bun. We'll make some sandwiches and we'll start feeding people. All right, guys, we'll check back with you in a bit. All right, guys, so we pulled it. We mixed it up with the, like I said, the Crawford's barbecue and the Head Country. So now I ran into a subscriber down here at the Frio, and he's gonna be our taste tester, guys. We're gonna see what he thinks. This is Aaron, guys. Subscriber to the channel. We're gonna see what he thinks. What do you think? Good. Pretty good?
It's really good.
Hey guys, I appreciate the love, support y'all been giving me so far. We broke 150 this week. I've been a month and a half, 2 months channel. And hey, if y'all like this one, hit the thumbs up. And on the way out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so y'all can get all the notifications, guys. Hey, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Love y'all.